Today we'll talk about how can you use Reddit. So in first here, can you manage your posts? So if you found your posts, can you react with like here and dislike here? And here can you add comments? Here can you share this comment here if you want to save it here. So or if you want to give a word here, can you give a word? So and when you click on your photo profile here, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on profile. So then here can you manage your profile, just click on edit. And here can you change your photo profile or your avatar and your name here. Here add your bio. Here if you want to link with social here. So can you manage content visibility or show active communities here. We will go back. Here you will find all posts you have and comments here. That here about you, I have nothing, but if you have it, it's going to show for you with you. Can you share your profile here? We will go back. So here can you find inbox, just click on it. You will find all messages you have. Then here you will find notifications. So here can you find your chat. And here can you just click on create. Here can you create your threads, add here a title. So in here if you want to add image or video here and you click on post, then it's going to post with you. We will go back here again. Then here can you find communities if you want to join or found here your communities in this list. So then we will go above your photo profile, you click on settings here. So then here can you just click here on account settings and you manage here your manage notifications in this list. Can you manage it here? So then here can you change your password, your update your email, and here you change your location and your changer here. Then here you will manage emails. So here you will find manage blockade or manage blockade accounts here, and here manage muted communities. Then here chat and missing permissions here. So here can you manage all thing about your settings here. Can you find it here, and here can you delete your account. We will go back here, and here you get premium, and here change up a icon, then style avatar, and here change language, and here content language. So here can you manage all this here. Then here can you manage to if you want to add a dark mode or light mode. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.